Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify subscription products using ReCharge. Full guide step by step. To update Shopify subscription products using ReCharge, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Find and click on the ReCharge app to open it. Once the ReCharge dashboard loads, select the Subscriptions tab. Locate the subscription product you want to update in the list. Click on the product name to open its details. Here, you can edit various aspects of the subscription product. To change the title, simply click in the title field and enter the new name. Adjust the pricing by clicking on the pricing section and entering the new amounts. If you want to modify the billing interval, click on the billing frequency options. Choose from options like weekly, monthly, or custom intervals that suit your needs. For changing the shipping method, head to the shipping section and select the desired option. You can also update the product image by clicking on the image area and uploading a new one. After making your changes, look for the Save button and click it to apply all updates. Confirm that the changes reflect correctly in your ReCharge dashboard. Next, return to your Shopify admin and review the product in your store. Make sure all updates are visible and functioning as intended. To test the subscription flow, consider placing a test order to ensure everything works smoothly. If necessary, revisit the ReCharge settings to make further adjustments based on the test outcome. Once satisfied with the updates, you're ready to continue managing your subscription products effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.